So we're back once again with another one of these Middle-earth Enterprises drop collaboration keyboards. This, again, is a Lord of the Rings one, clearly, but this is actually one of their newer ones for the Rohan. It is the Aldburg one. Yeah, Aldburg. Let's open this up and showcase what makes this one so interesting and unique. Okay. So you can look at that beautiful, amazing design for the Rohan. You got the horses, the braiding, just so much of that built into the keyboard. And then the language of the Rohan. So that's just regular. This is regular English keyboard. But you got some really beautiful designs in there as well. Great script. On the backside here, you have, of course, your branding, and you got your stands. To the top here, you have your power plug port. Underneath the box, we have our power cord, which goes white really well with the green, and we have swap out keys. We got a lot of swap out keys here. So you can replace the commands back on the keyboard if you want to use command. You've got a lot you can swap out for, I'm guessing, the directional keys, but they don't seem to, I guess they're just stylized. It's really cool. And I like that space bar. So you can swap out these keys specifically with this coloring instead. But the Aldburg one specifically is a green color scheme, so you probably want to stick with that style if you're picking this one up. And the keys are really easy to pick up. Just slide that in there, this key here, and pull straight up. And then you could swap this out, like I said, with the command key. With the command key, just pop that right on there. Super easy to do. But I mean, you're springing for a new drop keyboard. Why would you want to be basic, right? Go for the design. Go for the horsies. All the horsies. I do like the stark difference of the white and the green on there, which really stands out. Let me actually give you some good audio there of that. Everyone always says I don't click the keys enough to give you some sound. This is the ASMR portion of this video. But yeah, no, it's a beautiful keyboard for its color, and then also the design here is just really, it's raised art. It's just really amazing. If you're a huge fan of Lord of the Rings, if you feel some type of connection specifically to the race of the Rohan of men inside this, then this is a really great way to showcase your love, not only for the series, but for the artwork that the Middle-earth Enterprises and Drop has put together with this really amazing high-end keyboard. And one more thing I just want to say, these keys can all be swapped out with the really fancy artisan keycaps that they do sell from Drop with additional tidbits from the Middle Earth world that you can show off, whether it be the One Ring or any of the other versions of them. They're really amazing, really cool, and they'll add some really awesome design and style to your keyboard. I hope this helps you. Hope you guys pick this up for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.